Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this stunning Primrose Yellow MGC Roadster. The car's come to us from a local professional restorer. We've had quite a few C's from him over the years, and his standards are really second to none. This example is no exception. Full engine rebuild, full mechanical overhaul, dry state US car, now converted to right hand drive. As you can see, the car is beautifully presented, sat on chrome wire wheels, all new braking system, new tyres, new paint, new hood, new chrome. Car drove beautifully on test drive. Overdrive is very sweet, slips in and out very easily. Bodywork condition is absolutely superb. Paint is excellent. Let's say Brian's standard of finish is extremely high. Wonderfully quiet engine that's been completely reconditioned and balanced. Just give you a quick look at the interior. New carpets throughout, moulded, so they fit extremely well. New seat covers, as I said, new hood, fits very well. Just pop the bonnet for you. So you can see the standard of finish is extremely high. Rebuilt carburetors, wonderfully quiet engine. So all in all, an absolutely superb example. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.